Hello, if you could leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we've been mowing now with a Claas mower, and as these on the spreader bar, as these plastic knobs are broken off there, as I come to that. See that one now is cracked open, and the other one's missing. So I was mowing tonight, and to us, I a couple missing here, and there's one missing here. So I've lost one. I know I have a good idea where it was. It was 4 times around the first field. You try to find it with header. Tried to look around for it, couldn't find it. And Dad's been around with header, so I have to try and find it again. But the two were half falling off. So one pin already gone through, and the one was just hanging on. See this one now. See, there's nothing actually holding it. This could just fall down. That's holding it. On this now, it was rust holding on the plastic wash shell was holding them, and they vibrated now and well fallen out. So I've got some of these small hole big washers, so I've drilled them out, and I found a nuts to suit these bolts, and these are like a pipe, hollow pipe go down to it, and the knob around it. So taking these off a mold grip, and we're going to have to put these two back on. Then I can try to see if I can get these off without getting them actually off. If you have there's a few of them missing, just one, so if you have a nut, we'll be safe, you know. Okay, that's it for a bit. As you can see, it's just like a piece of pipe with thread. It's quite hard to get it started to slacken, but once it goes, it goes. I'll pick that up now. But let's see you do that now. We'll keep you safe then. There's actually room for an eye lock, but I don't think we have any, and I didn't think they would actually fit. You know, would be enough length, because the pipes were so long. I thought maybe it's just about all, but I'll put these for now tight. Well, get them real tight, and I'll change them again then. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.